The most important thing my education gave me wasn't knowledge. It gave me words for feelings I had carried since childhood. When I was a child, I served as an altar boy. My family had seen me in my robes many times. My grandmother, my father, my relatives, and every time they beamed with pride. But one day was very different. It was a school feast day. For the first time, I was serving Mass in school, dressed in a long red robe, a white vestment on top. I remember looking at myself in the mirror and feeling proud. During a break, I quietly slipped out, thurible in hand, still swinging incense, to show my school friends. They looked at me and burst out laughing. Same dress, same boy, completely different reactions. I felt confused before I felt embarrassed. And I stayed confused for years, carrying something I couldn't name, like the woman in the yellow wallpaper who kept saying, "I feel something," because she had no other words. It was only through literature and philosophy that I finally understood what that moment was. Between Bells is 9 stories from that world. The world my family wept over and the world my friends found strange. I wrote them so that one day the distance between these two reactions might become a little smaller.